Sure, my name is David York. I'm the Global VP of Graphisoft, the creator of Archicad. So I think one of the values of Archicad is it's designed by architects for architects. So it works in a natural workflow from conceptual design, detailed design, visualization, and documentation. So an architect likes to take a brief from a client and they like to sketch it, create initial drawings. Archicad allows you to creating a 3D model when you create the sketch, and you can move to very photorealistic visualizations immediately early in the design process. So you can see in design intent, understand and discuss with the customer that you're getting the output that they're looking for. We have a wide gamut of projects. Over 1 million buildings globally have been designed within the Archicad. So everything from small residential homes up through large corporate buildings fit very, very well. There's over 14 different improvements within Archicad 29 that make the workflow better and easier for architects. We brought out 2 distinct improvements that allow them to work in a better way. The first is our Project Aurora that allows you to do geolocation. Take a map location, the coordinates of the building, put the conceptual design on those coordinates, and then run simulations and capabilities around that building design so they can see that it meets the parameters of the project, whether it's height restrictions, light restrictions, or even things like sun paths and heat signatures of a building, so they can design a building that's more efficient, doesn't take as much energy to run over the life cycle. We're making a lot of investment in AI, and artificial intelligence we think can add a lot of value to the repetitive work streams that are done within the design process. And the more of the design detail work that we can automate for them will allow them to spend more time on that design space. The second piece is we've brought mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, MEP Designer, into Archicad. So you're actually designing the systems within the model, which allows the detail engineer to work in the way they're used to with lines on a drawing. But it also has the power of MEP so that they can do the flow rates, the calculations, the snaps and the connections to the pieces that they're creating in an automated way. We are a global product being developed for over 40 years. We've got a very large global footprint. We do work in Southeast Asia, as we are here talking. We do work in the Americas. And we noticed that architects do have very specific parameters they need to work to in each of the different countries. We have a great architectural firm that actually switched from a competitor to Archicad in the last few years because they had a design problem that they were faced with. They were doing beautiful residential homes in Latin America. The people commissioning the work wanted to maintain the beauty of the view, but at the same time, because of the heat and the sun, they had to provide some shade within the building to be able to do that. And working with an Archicad, they were able to create a cladding environment with slats that maintained the light and the airiness and the view that they were looking for, but still provided the shade and the relief from the heat that was necessary. And once you see the power of 3D and see the visualizations that come out, you won't change back. You'll love it. You'll actually want to be a part of the process.